Ever felt trapped? Like you're stuck in a situation you just can't get out of? Maybe it's a gym membership you never use, a subscription that keeps auto-renewing, or a bank account you no longer need. Today, we're tackling that last one, specifically focusing on how to close your EQ bank account. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's address why you might even be considering this. EQ Bank has a lot going for it: competitive interest rates, no monthly fees, and convenient online banking. So, why would anyone want to leave? Well, life changes. Perhaps you've consolidated your finances at another institution, found a better interest rate elsewhere, or simply no longer find their services a good fit for your current needs. Whatever your reason, it's valid, and you deserve to know how to smoothly close your account. Many people assume closing a bank account is a huge hassle, involving mountains of paperwork and long phone calls. While that can be the case with some traditional banks, EQ Bank's process is generally straightforward and can be handled primarily online. That's what we'll be focusing on today. It's crucial to understand a few key things before you initiate the closure process. First and foremost, zero out your account balance. This means transferring any remaining funds to another account. You can do this through an electronic funds transfer, EFT, to an external bank account linked to your EQ Bank profile. Make sure the transfer is complete and the funds have fully cleared before proceeding with the closure request. A small outstanding balance can significantly delay the process. Also, consider any pending transactions. If you have any pre-authorized debits or scheduled payments linked to your EQ Bank account, you absolutely must cancel or reroute them before closing the account. Otherwise, you risk missed payments, late fees, and potential damage to your credit score. This is a non-negotiable step. Double and triple check to ensure no money is expected to come in or out of the account. Once you've cleared your balance and handled any pending transactions, you're ready to contact EQ Bank. While there isn't a direct close account button in their online banking portal, the most efficient way to close your account is to contact their customer service team. You have a few options for contacting them. The quickest and most recommended method is through their secure online messaging system within your EQ Bank online banking profile. This allows you to communicate directly with a representative in a secure environment and provides a written record of your request. Alternatively, you can call their customer service line. Their phone number is readily available on their website. When you contact EQ Bank, be clear and concise in your request. State that you wish to close your account and provide any necessary identifying information, such as your account number. Be prepared to answer security questions to verify your identity. This is a standard procedure and is in place to protect your account. Once you've made your request, the customer service representative will guide you through the remaining steps. They will likely confirm your identity, verify that your balance is zero, and confirm that all pending transactions have been resolved. They may also ask for the reason for closing your account, although you are not obligated to provide a detailed explanation. A simple "I no longer require the account" is perfectly acceptable. After confirming all the details, the representative will initiate the account closure process. The actual closure time can vary slightly, but it generally takes a few business days. During this time, it's advisable to periodically check your online banking to ensure the account is indeed closed. Once closed, you will no longer be able to access your online banking for that specific account. It's also important to note that EQ Bank will typically send you a confirmation of the account closure either electronically or by mail. Keep this confirmation for your records. It serves as proof that the account has been officially closed and can be useful in case of any future discrepancies. Let's recap the key steps to ensure a smooth account closure. Zero out your balance. Transfer all funds to another account. Handle pending transactions. Cancel or redirect any pre-authorized debits or scheduled payments. Contact EQ Bank. Use their secure online messaging system or call their customer service line. Confirm closure. Monitor your online banking and retain the closure confirmation. Now, you might be wondering about a few specific scenarios. What if you have a joint account? In this case, both account holders will need to agree to the closure and may need to provide authorization. The exact procedure will be explained by the customer service representative. What about if you have a tax-free savings account, TFSA, or registered retirement savings plan, RRSP, with EQ Bank? Closing these types of accounts involves a slightly different process and may have tax implications. It's highly recommended to consult with a financial advisor or tax professional before closing any registered accounts. You'll also want to discuss your options with EQ Bank directly, as you may be able to transfer the funds to another registered account rather than fully cashing out. One final point, don't wait until the last minute to close your account. Give yourself ample time to handle any outstanding issues and avoid any potential complications. Starting the process a few weeks before you actually need the account closed is a good rule of thumb. Closing a bank account doesn't have to be a stressful experience. By following these steps and being proactive in your communication with EQ Bank, you can ensure a smooth and hassle-free process. Remember, it's your money and your account, and you have the right to manage it as you see fit. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.